My name is Maren. After I finished my studies at BI, I started working as an IT consultant at Intelligence. So the system I'm working on is a SuccessFactors solution. It's for HR processes. My job is to help customers in the process of implementing systems. It will be setting up the system for them before we even start the project. It will be having the workshops where we teach customers to use it. We talk about what is their need, and then we change the system so it fits their need. When consultants come, it's mainly to improve something or to show you that there's other ways you can do this. People tend to not like change. They tend to avoid it as long as they can and resist this as much as possible. And then knowing the skills and what techniques you can use to actually make them see that this change is good, I use a lot.